I've been using my iPhone 14 Pro Max for about 2 weeks now. It's also updated to iOS 16.1, and there are plenty of amazing features that I think are worth sharing with you guys. Starting with Dynamic Island. Dynamic Island can show up to 2 apps at a time. So if you have music playing, you can tap to control the app. It will automatically open the app for you from this island. You can also hold on to it to open like a quick settings. For quick settings, you hold on to it, and then you'll be able to maneuver the app you're using, or pause or skip songs, whatever you want. So you can have up to 2 apps open on the Dynamic Island. If you guys notice, this is for my navigation and this is for music. If you have calls, you see how the calls comes up? You can pick up the call, and from there you access quick settings. Hello?
How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm recording a video while you're calling.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Alright, bye-bye.
You can go to the App Store and search for Hit the Island. Let's play this app, guys. This app called Hit the Island. You hear the sound when you hit it. It's amazing. Go try it out, guys. Another app called Apollo. Apollo Reddit app for little animations or around Dynamic Island. Look how cool this is. So you have to enable it and choose an animal. For me, I use dog. So if you guys notice, we can change animals. You can also feed pixel power. Do you see that? She's eating it. That's cool. And coming up next is the always on display feature. Your screen's always basically on. It dimmed down a little bit so you can see notifications, but it doesn't completely go dark. To turn always on display off, just go to settings. Just go to display and brightness, and if you scroll down, you see where it says always on. You can turn that off. There's also focus, do not disturb focus. You can also play with that. It dimmed the lock screen feature. Let me show you that. If you go to settings and focus, do not disturb, options, and dimmed lock screen. Now what it does, it dimmed the lock screen, but you can still see your widget. You may not notice the difference. It depends on the wallpaper you have set up. You can turn on the action feature at up to 2.8K at 60 frame rate. You can see how steady the shot was while I was running down the steps. For the main camera, you can now do 2x zoom, 2x zoom, which we didn't have before. You can now shoot Pro RAW. To turn that on, let's go to settings. Go to settings and look for camera and format, and inside format you see Pro RAW. Make sure Pro RAW is turned on. If you think your phone is being hacked, this next feature is called lockdown mode. You can turn that on by going to the settings and go to privacy and security, and then from there you scroll down to lockdown mode. That feature, you can turn that on, but also remember, apps, websites, and features will be limited for security purposes if you turn this option on. You can now tell Siri to pick up a call. Hey Siri, pick up the call. You see now, guys, so you can tell Siri to pick up the call. Now when you use notes with voice detection, it automatically adds punctuation. For example, I love my life. Last night I slept well, and today I'm going to have a great day. I feel energetic, period. And emoji, smiling emoji. You can now tell Siri how to pronounce a person's name. For example, if you go edit the contact information, click on the contact, scroll down, click add field. Then you can add pronunciation first name, pronunciation middle name, pronunciation last name. Let me just add first name, and let me say my awesome daughter, for example. Hey Siri, how to pronounce daughter?
It's my awesome daughter.
That's cool. Thank you.
When it comes to customization, you have many ways. So let's just, one of the things that I like is the battery percentage. Let's just go to settings and go to battery. Now you see where it says battery percentage, make sure you toggle that on, turn it on. So if you notice here, when you turn it on, you're able to see the percentage of your battery. Another feature that I like, it's called sound and haptics. You inside settings, you go to sound and haptics and go to look for keyboard feedback and make sure you turn sound or haptic if you want to. I don't really like the sound. It's making noise. Even if my phone is on silent, it's still making that sound. I just like the haptic. It's a little vibration underneath while you're typing. You can turn them on if you want to. The next feature, you guys can now search your entire phone, including internet, including your phone apps, from the app store, just from your home screen. From the search, you can search for anything. If it's not on your phone already, it will try to look for it. If you want to turn that search off, go to settings, go to home screen, and where it says show on home screen, you can toggle that off and search is no longer there. But I like it, I'm just gonna leave it there. Any Wi-Fi you have connected to, you can now easily see the password. Go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and from there you tap the I, and if you notice where it says password, you just hold on to it, and then you got to show your face. You're able to see the Wi-Fi password. Use FaceTime or password to be able to see it. For the next feature, it makes a sound when you turn the phone on and off. Go to settings to check that. Go to accessibility for audio visual. Inside audio visual, you see where it says sound on and off. Now if you turn off the phone, these are some incredible features that I think worth sharing with you guys. You can also share them with friends and family members. Let me guys also know what you think in the comment section. There are more features to share with you guys for the next one. Peace.